So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So starting from 8 rupees level, when you've done the complete technical analysis and we know in between 13 rupees and 14 rupees, the stock has opened once. So after that, continuously the stock had showed its momentum. So previously when you have discussed near the 17 rupees level, so I've done the complete technical analysis and also we know that an update was released related to bonus. So how much ratio is present for this bonus also we'll try to discuss, because many people are having doubts related to that particular bonus issue, and the same way where we can book our profit, and the same way what would be the next levels that we need to focus. So all these things we'll try to discuss. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because any latest update I'm trying to update in the Telegram so that you can also do any sort of buying and selling. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so discussing about the update related to Brightcom group. So this particular screenshot I've also shared in the Telegram group, that is almost I think yesterday itself. So many people have asked questions related to the bonus of shares. So few people got confused that the ratio is 1:4. So it's not like that. So what is actually in the article itself, you can understand that for the 4 existing shares you will be getting one additional share. So it is 4:1 but not 1:4. So there many people had a confusion related to the bonus. So clearly they mentioned that update to board meeting to be held on June 28th of 2021. So almost we are approaching the date of the board meeting also. So currently the date is 25th. So we can say still furthermore momentum may be seen in the stock before any sort of circuit opens. So till that time you can hold this particular stock patiently. So don't worry about that. And the same way when bonus update, these type of things come, so furthermore positiveness gets added to that particular stock and still it shows the momentum. So that's why daily we are seeing 50 to 60 lakh pending orders which are already present in the buying order. But you'll be surprised to see that the money flow index is not at all going to the overbought region. So that is completely stagnant. So because you can clearly understand, so fixed volume is being placed. So that's why stock is also going continuously in upside direction. So you need to be very cautious if you are holding in heavy quantities, but don't worry about that. So whenever any circuit is opening also, I'll try to update that in Telegram. In the same way, when I take you to the technical charts, I'll tell you what the strategy you need to follow if you are invested at low levels. So for right now, you can see these are the major things that they are going to do. And second one is something related to shareholders approval towards enabling a resolution that allows the company to raise equity funds. So that is not a major concern for us. So primary reason is first one, that is related to bonus. So clearly they have told that for 4 existing shares you will be getting one additional share. Okay, so now let's go to charts. Okay, so if we move further towards the deliveries section, so there you can see the day-to-day wise how the deliveries are remain consistent. So that is because only reason of the upper circuit. So don't think much about it. You can see only 100%, either if it is going up or either it is coming down. If for any stock which is having upper circuit or lower circuit, so that time we see only 100%. So because there whenever direct movement is present, so obviously there would be no traded quantity. So only deliveries would be present. So this is simple logic. So now let's go to chart. So there we'll try to do some good analysis. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Brightcom group share. So previously whatever the region of resistance was, that was 17.85. So after breaking that particular region, we have seen some very good rise in volume, and currently it has reached the 19.35 rupees level. So next immediate zone could be the 20 rupees region. So that is going to be very important. And the same way whatever the date we have discussed for board meeting, so that is also approaching. So these two factors are important that you need to remember. And coming to where we can book the profit if you are doing any swing trade. So I know personally many people have invested near 13 rupees, 13 and 14 roughly I guess. So where that time the circuit was open and many people have entered there. So if you're having a very good profit and if you have invested in some very good decent quantity and if you want to book it, so definitely you can exit if you want near the 20 rupees region. So not completely, so remember this thing, not completely, only you can book almost you can say 50%, and rest of the 50% you can hold it, because we can't judge in long term. Also it may go up, but I know after whatever the board meeting happens we may expect little correction because already the stock has given huge momentum, so that may be temporary as well. For swing traders, you can book at 20 or 25, 21, sorry, depending upon your wish, and don't exit completely, exit only small portion depending upon your interest. So personally, if I tell you, you can hold in small portion, so that would be very much better. And if you see volume, so those are not that great. So little bit consistently they're increasing, but they need to go in full swing. And money flow index is still near the 72 region. Okay, so these are the basic things. So next resistance, as I told, 20 rupees is going to be very important. So this is on weekly chart. So daily chart also will try to see the levels. Okay, so when we go to the daily chart time frame, so there you can see how the stock has given huge uptrend. Okay, so starting in between 88 rupees level, when I've posted a video, 10x video, that if you buy you may get some 10x returns. So after that also the stock was little consolidating. Again it has given some huge momentum because of the upcoming board meeting which was scheduled. So in between it has corrected a little bit, again it has gone up because obviously we know the little correction happens. Again now if it tries to retrace, so again you will get the opportunity, but always in okay, I can suggest you to hold in small portions. But if you are doing swing trade, so there you can go full-fledgedly because it gives some very good returns in swing trade. So you need to understand simple logic. So whenever any stock is having continuous upper circuits, so there, okay, even when it corrects, it continues to correct for a certain period of time. So if you want to do swing trade, so well and good, you can exit. But if you are investing for long term, so this particular stock is better for long term also, because company, whatever the fundamentals, all these things are present. But few stocks without any reason, if they are going continuously up, so there you need to think twice if you are holding in heavy quantity. So there you need to hold only in small portions. So that is my advice. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivity. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.